Hello guys, welcome to my channel. What's happened here with my Skoda Fabia 2? One wiper blade only working. What we will do, we will replace the arms from the motor, wiper blade motor. Yes, from the motor. Stay with me, I will show you how to do it. Okay, we have parts, numbers for the arms. I bought on the eBay 2 of them with one auction, somebody was selling. Now what you need to do, you need to take off the wiper blades arms, main arms. Yes, I recommended please use the good quality tools, because I have very cheap one and I couldn't take it off. I went to my mechanic and he done it for me. Yes, don't use the cheap tools. Wiper blades arms off. Now you need to remove the plastic. First plastic, just pull the seal and lift up the first one. Second one, you have some nuts, 4 of them, and remove it and lift as well. Screen wash, you don't need to disconnect screen wash is staying. Lines from screen wash, you're pulling down like that and you have nice access for the arms. Yes, like you can see, arm come off, very rusty. You need to take off one side. Don't use any tools when you will where you will put back, because you will damage the arm. You can see I took off the good side, passenger side, because I was thinking put some grease inside just in case. And what's happened when I was putting back, I damaged, because I was using this tool what is on the floor. Don't use it, don't use it any tool, just push by the hand. Yeah, you can see here I damage. I put some grease, because I was using this tool. I damage. Yeah, you have here 2 new arms. I put some grease, just a standard grease. Yes, and just push by hand. I found some another beads from the old arm. It was lying there. Remember again, push by hand, don't use any tools. Now everything is back, plastics. Just I recommended clean this bit before you put arms back. Just brush, small brush, metal brush, yeah, and clean it. Arms, they are back on place. Now covers for the nuts, and I will tell you one thing how to put the arms in one line. Somebody told me, I don't know if it's true, just let me know in the comments if it's true or it's bullshit. Okay, let me show you. Somebody said to me you have small lines on the windscreen, yeah, here, and you lying, when you're putting the arms, you lying the arms to this line, and they're good level. Yeah, I don't know if it's true, somebody said to me to do it, I done it. Yes, they're working fine. Okay, again, parts number for you guys, and see you in next video. Subscribe. Bye bye.